Alright everyone, so by clicking on this video to check out the content of the video, it means you understand the info on the thumbnail, which means you'll be getting a new deposit bonus following the steps and details I'll be sharing in this video. So for everyone watching this video right now, I want you to pay close attention, making sure you follow every single steps I'll be sharing in the video like I said. Now the bonus which I'll be sharing was launched yesterday, which is the 3rd of February. And the expiring date, which is the road TBA, which means to be announced. And anytime the expiring date is being announced, I'm sure to just do like few days to the expiring date before the expiring date is being announced. So I want you guys to actually go straight to the site, follow the steps I'll be explaining in the video, and then you'll be able to get the bonus. So for those who are watching this video right now, you're seeing this video and you still haven't turned on your notification, I don't know, in case if you miss out on this update, that's your fault. That's due to the fact that you didn't turn on your notification. It's one of the simplest thing to do. Just click on the bell button showing on the screen right here by your right, and then you turn on your notification. Anytime I drop no deposit bonus, you get notified and you get to see the update, the new bonus which is available. Now for those who are just coming across this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and leave in the comment section what you think about this bonus after checking out the details about it. Now the first thing we need to do is to take this bonus to ChatGPT to check out every single details about it. But before doing that, I'll actually share you my chat with their support and the things we actually discussed about and the info, things you need to know about the bonus. So right here on the screen are the details which I actually chatted with the support, and you can see it showing on the screen right here. And the important details you need to know about this bonus right here is really the terms and conditions, to know the things you are required to do to be able to place withdrawal from this bonus. Now you can see right here on the screen the date which the bonus started and every details you need to meet. Now you'll be given a balance of $333 as the capital which you need to trade, and you are required to trade for 14 days, which means during that 14 days you are required to trade 50 lot size if I'm correct. Now you can see that on the screen, see it showing right on the screen. You are required to trade 50 lot size. Trade must be held for more than 180 seconds, which is equivalent to 3 minutes. So once your trade is held for 3 minutes, and it will be considered a valid trade. So right here you can see the next thing says MT5. The account should be credited into it should be an MT5 unlimited leverage, and I'll be showing you steps on how to go about this. So the next thing you need to do, there's a link I'll be adding to the comment section, and also it will be in the description of the video, which you need to click on. That will take you straight to the Telegram channel, and in the Telegram channel you'll be seeing a link which will take you to this platform right here, where you'll be able to sign up with them and then proceed to claiming the bonus. And like I said in the community, I shared the post in the community letting everyone know you'll be needing your details, your ID card for verification before you can actually get the bonus. So clicking on the link, it will take you straight to the site. Now you can see what the site looks like. The first thing you will see on the screen is where you actually need to fill in your details for registration, and at the same time the details you fill in for registration will be used to verify. Once you put in your email address and your name, your title, you put in every single details required into this boxes right here on the screen, and then you'll be asked to verify your email address. And once your email address is being verified, then the next thing you need to do, proceed to the site, log into the site by verifying your email address. You need to add a code. A code is sent to your email address to this section right here on the screen. So verify your email address, log into the site, and the first thing you need to do once you log into the site is to submit your document for verification. Now how to go about that is to click on this three lines at the top right here. You click on the three lines and then you click on my profile, and under my profile you put in your details right there into every boxes, your national ID card or your any document you use for verification. You put them into the boxes and then upload an image of your ID card into these boxes, the front, the back, and also a selfie of you holding the ID card into the box, into the stored box right here. Now once these details have been added, the next thing you need to do is submit them and wait for verification. Also add your proof of address. Once you've been verified, the next step you need to click on the three lines once again and click on account. So once you click on account, you are actually proceeding to creating a standard account, which is the MT5 unlimited leverage. You see it among the account option. And once you click on this section, this icon right here, click on it, it shows you the account option. Now you see the available accounts which you can create after you've been verified. Because if you don't get verified, you won't be able to open an account. Alright, so once the account is being created successfully, you'll be sent login details to your email, which will take to MT5 to log into MT5. And immediately you log into MT5, you'll be credited automatically into the trading account for you to start trading. And I'm sure I explained earlier, you need to trade 50 lot size within 14 days with the capital which was given to you, and make sure your trade is being opened for a minimum of 3 minutes. So once you meet all these requirements, you'll be able to place withdrawal from the account after the 14th day. Now, I said earlier, the expiring dates for this bonus have not been announced. So if you don't go straight to claim it, you might miss out on this bonus. Now, for every details which I explained, I'm sure everyone understood every single process which I explained in the video. And in case you don't get credited automatically, go straight to the support, type in your account, the account number for the MT5, and leave a short message. I would love to be credited the no deposit bonus into my trading account, and it will be credited into your trading account after like maybe like 30 minutes. Once the support check out your message which you're leaving for them. Now, for every details which I explained, I'm sure everyone understood everything. And make sure you give the video a like, leave a comment in the comment section if there's an aspect you don't understand, and I'll be there to reply to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on your notification. Have a nice day, guys.